I wanted a bit more space than what I had, and also like something that just flows through my living room. And I think this was a very bright idea. I did some research. I did manage to get few quotes from others as well, and I found Conservatory Land did the best. Very quick to come back with the quote, and every question that I had, they came with the answers. And also I think the fact that, the conserve base, the concept of building it quick, rather than the digging and all that, that takes so much time, and we didn't want to go through all that, and I think this was the best. Having read what others have done, I saw very good reviews with the installers through the Conservatory Land. Rather than doing something that we didn't know, give it to somebody who knew the job was the best. They were brilliant. They did tell us in advance when they were coming and told us what to expect, like what they were going to do to begin with. So we were well informed, so it was a good thing. Didn't make a mess at all, so every time they did something, they made sure it was spick and span. It was a brilliant feeling, and it still is, and I love it. It just felt as it was just a part of the house. Initially, we didn't have that much space when it came to the living room, dining room, so this has really helped us a lot. 100% I would recommend Conservatory Land. I think they're the best. The code, the designs, everything is not a hassle for them. They're so good. Can't go wrong.